Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Listen and Learn series from the Christmas Light Academy. In this lesson, we're going to walk through the most common areas that get decorated during a Christmas light installation job. Knowing what you're decorating and how helps you quote accurately, prep materials, and offer a better client experience. Roof lines. Roofline lighting is the backbone of most displays. It frames the home and adds a classic holiday outline. Most pros use C7 or C9 bulbs, spaced 6, 12, or 15 inches apart. Tighter spacing gives a fuller, premium look. Wider spacing uses fewer bulbs and creates a cleaner design. Choose a standard that fits your style and keeps quoting easy. Wreaths. Wreaths are usually placed above the garage, on the peak or doors. The most common size is 48 inches, but they range from 24 to 60 plus inches depending on the home size. Add a red or gold bow to make it pop from the street. Columns and posts. Wrap columns using mini LED lights, with about 4-inch spacing between wraps. This creates a clean spiral effect and adds brightness at eye level. Trees. Wrapping trees adds vertical impact. Use mini lights spaced 4 to 6 inches apart on the trunk and lower branches. Full canopy wrapping isn't required. Wrapping just the base adds a big impact. Palm trees are often wrapped all the way up, depending on your market. Bushes and hedges. Bush lighting helps add balance and fill the display. Use net lights or wrap mini lights around branches to light the space below the roofline. Walkways and driveways. These are outlined using C7 or C9 stake lights. Spacing is about 12 to 18 inches depending on the look you're offering. Choose spacing that fits your brand and makes quoting repeatable. Windows and doors. Framing these areas adds structure and symmetry. You can use mini lights or C9s depending on your design. Outlining adds a polished feel, especially when paired with a wreath and roofline. Final thoughts. Just be clear about what you offer. Spacing, bulb type, and layout matter when planning installs and building your brand. We'll dive deeper into layout and materials later, but this gives you a good idea of what to expect. That wraps up Lesson 3. In Lesson 4, we'll cover where to actually buy your lights and supplies, including how to source commercial-grade materials and build supplier relationships. See you in the next one.